Hello everyone. Today I will explain about Meta's new AI glasses. Hello, welcome to the episode of Crossover Mind.
Hello, everyone. Great to be here. I saw the news from Meta's Connect event, and it seems like they're going all in on smart glasses. It wasn't just one new product, was it? It felt like a much bigger statement.
You've hit the nail on the head. This isn't just a simple product refresh. Meta unveiled a multi-tiered strategy for AI glasses, effectively creating a lineup that targets different users with different needs. It's a fascinating look into their long-term vision for making AI glasses a mainstream computing platform.
Okay, so break it down for us. What are these different tiers?
Think of it as a three-pronged approach. First, they have the update to what is already the world's best-selling AI glasses, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. This is their foundation. It looks just like the classic Ray-Ban styles we know, but they've made critical under-the-hood improvements.
So what's new with this Gen 2 version? Is it a significant upgrade or just a minor tweak?
It's a very significant iterative upgrade. They directly addressed the biggest complaint from the first generation, battery life. They've nearly doubled it to about 8 hours of typical use. They also upgraded the camera to capture video in 3K Ultra HD and made charging much faster. So for the everyday user who wants to capture moments, listen to music, and take calls without pulling out their phone, this is a much more robust and practical device. They're solidifying their base with a product that's more lifestyle-friendly than ever.
That makes sense. Improve the core product for the core audience. What's the second prong?
The second prong is about specialization. They've launched a brand new line called the Oakley Meta Vanguard. As the name suggests, this one is built specifically for athletes and performance.
Right. Oakley is a huge name in sports. But what makes these performance AI glasses? Is it just a sportier design?
It's much more than that. Meta and Oakley designed these from the ground up for high-intensity sports. They're more durable, have a high water resistance rating, and the wraparound design protects you from the elements. But the real magic is in the features. The speakers are louder to cut through wind noise, the microphone array is optimized to reduce that same wind noise on calls, and the camera is centered with a wider field of view and video stabilization.
Okay, that sounds practical for, say, a cyclist or a runner.
Exactly. And here's the killer feature. They've integrated it with fitness apps that athletes already love, like Garmin and Strava. So you can be on a run and just ask, "Hey Meta, what's my pace?" or "What's my heart rate?" and it will tell you. There's even an auto capture feature that automatically records a video clip when you hit a new milestone, like your fastest mile or a sudden burst of speed. It's a tool designed to enhance training, not just record it.
That's a really clever move. Instead of trying to convince everyone to use one device, they're creating a specific tool for a community that's already passionate about data and performance. So we have the lifestyle model and the sports model. What's the third, and I'm guessing most futuristic one?
That would be the Meta Ray-Ban Display. This is the one that really signals where Meta is heading. It's a brand new category of AI glasses because, as the name implies, it has a high-resolution display built right into the lens.
A display in the lens? That immediately brings back memories of Google Glass and the glass hole controversy. Is this the same idea?
It's a fundamentally different approach. The display is a small, full-color screen that appears in your peripheral vision. It's not meant to be on all the time, distracting you. It's designed for quick, glanceable interactions, like checking a text message, seeing turn-by-turn walking directions, or previewing a photo you just took. The goal is to give you information without forcing you to look down and pull away from the world. But the truly revolutionary part isn't the display itself, but how you control it.
How do you control it? I can't imagine fiddling with a tiny touchpad on the side of the frame is very elegant.
You don't have to. It comes paired with something called the Metaneural Band. It's a wristband that uses electromyography, or EMG, to read the neural signals your brain sends to your hand muscles.
Whoa, hold on. Is it reading my thoughts? That sounds incredibly futuristic and a little unnerving.
It's not reading your thoughts, but rather your intent to move. When you decide to click a mouse, your brain sends an electrical signal down your arm to your finger muscles. The neural band can detect that signal fractions of a second before your finger even visibly moves. So you can control the display with subtle, almost invisible hand gestures. A slight pinch of your thumb and index finger acts as a click. A tiny swipe of your thumb can scroll through messages. It's a new kind of human-computer interface that feels seamless, almost like magic.
That is a genuine breakthrough. So, looking at all three products, what's the big picture strategy here for Meta? This feels like more than just selling hardware.
It is. They are methodically building the future of computing one step at a time. The Ray-Ban Gen 2 establishes the form factor, making smart glasses fashionable and socially acceptable. The Oakley Vanguard proves the concept in a demanding vertical market, building out specific use cases. And the Meta Ray-Ban display with the neural band is the public beta test for the next true computing platform. They are introducing the key ingredients for true augmented reality, a display and a revolutionary input method in a consumer product today.
So this is their path to full AR glasses, the kind that can overlay digital objects onto the real world. They're getting us used to the idea of wearing computers on our faces and interacting with them in new ways.
Precisely. It's a patient, intelligent strategy. Instead of launching a bulky, expensive, and socially awkward AR headset, they are building the ecosystem and user acceptance piece by piece. They're solving the fashion problem, the use case problem, and the input problem in parallel across different products. Of course, they still face challenges with privacy and societal norms, but their approach of embedding the tech into familiar brands like Ray-Ban and Oakley is designed to smooth that transition.
It's a fascinating strategy. It's not just about the tech, but about the psychology of adoption. They're moving from a device that passively captures your world to one that lets you actively interact with a digital layer on top of it. This really does feel like a major step forward.
Thank you for joining us again on Crossover Mind. At Crossover Mind, we provide the latest information on technology, business, and society, and delve into important themes beyond them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, look forward to it. Goodbye.